Hey Boredom Crafters! In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make donut charms using polymer clay. So, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is mix some brown and white together to make the color of your dough. Keep on rolling the polymer clay in your hands until you've got a sphere shape. Then, using your index finger, flatten the sphere. Now you've got the shape of your donut. Now for the hole in the middle of our donut. I'm going to be using the end of a thin brush to poke a hole into my donut. I poked holes on both sides because I didn't want to end up with a messy hole. After poking a hole into your donut, time for the icing. I'm going to be making strawberry flavored icing, so I'm going to be using pink polymer clay. So just shape your icing using your thumbs, or you can use a flower-shaped cookie cutter instead. Then place the icing on top of your polymer clay donut. And then poke a hole through the icing in the middle using the same thin brush. All we have to do now is add some sprinkles. To make the sprinkles, I rolled out some brown polymer clay into a very thin cylinder and I cut it into pieces and put it on top of my icing. Now for the last step, adding an eye pin. You can buy eye pins at any craft store or you can make them using paper clips. Now just bake your polymer clay charm and then don't forget to put some super glue onto your eye pin and put it back in. You've just created your very own polymer clay charm. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Thank you for watching.